Run.
크게.
It was an elementary school field day. Jae-ho was getting on the school bus. He turned to his mom. Will you come to school today? Sure. Please come along. Students played a game on the playground. They stood in a line. Their teacher gave them instructions. First, race to the table. Pick up a piece of paper on the table. There will be a name on it. Run to that person. Take his or her hand and run back to the line. The winners will be the pair who returns first. The race began. Everybody ran. Jae-ho was first. He picked up a piece of paper and opened it. What can I do? What are you doing? What's wrong with you, Jae-ho? Jae-ho just pretended and he couldn't hear. His friends ran, holding hands with their dads, moms, grandmas, and teachers. Mom went to Jae-ho and took the paper from his hand. What can we do? She looked at Jae-ho's brother, Jae-min. Jae-min in his wheelchair came to Jae-ho's side. Let's go. No, we can't. Jae-min started alone. He was fast in his wheelchair. Jae-ho looked at Jae-min's back. Wait, I'm coming. Jae-ho ran to the wheelchair and pushed it. They ran hard, but they were the last ones. When they reached the line, everyone stood up and clapped. We did it. Thanks, Jae-min.